Welcome to a deep dive in one of the fastest growing crypto projects you've probably never heard of, TexitCoin or TXC. In just about a year, this project has shown explosive growth, the token price nearly doubling every month. So what's behind this momentum and why are people talking about the potential $16 target and even beyond? Well, let's break it down. At its core, TexitCoin is building a local digital currency model starting in Texas. The aim? To keep dollars circulating within local communities, supporting small businesses instead of funneling money through global corporations like Visa and MasterCard. So picture this, you're at a Texas event, you scan a QR code, you load up your digital wallet and shop with local vendors. If you don't spend everything, your leftover balance could appreciate in value over time, possibly turning a modest $25 into something significant over the next year. But this isn't just another token on the market. TXC is reigniting the original promise of crypto, fast, peer-to-peer transactions that strengthen local economies. The broader plan includes expanding this model beyond Texas to states like Florida and potentially to a global scale. And the growth numbers speak for themselves. You see, the price started at just under 3 cents. By January, it reached 20 cents. It held steady in February, then hit 39 cents in March, climbed to 55 cents by April, and it's already trending towards $1 in May, with projections pointing to even higher milestones. Backing these numbers is the path to $16, the roadmap, which ties price potential to mining distribution and increasing hash power. The project's predictions have either met or outpaced expectations every month so far. In fact, some enthusiasts believe that the ceiling isn't $16. It could literally hit $200 or even $2,000 over time, especially as the network effect kicks in. But here's the kicker, the real opportunity may not lie in trading tokens, it's in mining them. Think of mining nodes as your own mini crypto ATM. Every day, they produce new tokens, creating passive income over the long haul. The mining schedule is designed to last 138 years, making these nodes not just profitable, but potentially generational assets. Early adopters get the best deal. Daily mining output is fixed. If there are only 10 miners sharing 1,000 tokens a day, each gets 100. As more people join, the shares decrease, but token appreciation can more than make up for it. For instance, one miner who built a small network of referrals earned 137 tokens a day, and at a projected $16.69 price, that's over $2,000 daily, or nearly $50,000 monthly. To prevent centralization, there's a strict limit. Just 9 nodes per individual. The referral program is also worth noting. When you refer 3 people who each purchase a node, you get 1 free. It's a smart way to grow the network while rewarding community builders. Now, if you're wary of scams in the crypto world, this project shows strong fundamentals. No pre-mined stash controlled by insiders. No single entity holding an outside portion of tokens. Liquidity is supported by dedicated pools, meaning large sales don't crash the price. One user reportedly sold 25,000 in TXC without moving the price, which is rare in crypto. Full transparency through a detailed back office where every transaction, device, and expense is tracked. Limited node ownership ensures decentralization. No BlackRock-style takeovers here. The founder even has a solid history, speaking before Congress in 2012 about sound money principles, and so far, no refund request, virtually unheard of in this space. The marketing push is just as bold. TXC is making noise in Las Vegas with billboards, hotel screens, and even animated trucks rolling during a major Bitcoin conference at the World Series of Poker. And in Texas, the visibility is massive. Over 80 billboards, airport ads, radio promos are fueling curiosity and FOMO. People are even trading goods for TXC at local events, showing early signs of real-world adoption. Imagine what happens when even a handful of larger investors drop $10,000 or just 1 Bitcoin into this ecosystem. The impact could be game-changing. And here's the bottom line. TXC is still in the early phase. Less than 2% of its mining capacity has been activated. You're not late, you're early. There's no need to be tech savvy, no complicated setups. It's easy to get started. And of course, crypto does come with risks. It's volatile, it's unregulated, and this isn't financial advice. Talk to your advisor. But with a track record of consistent growth and a model rooted in long-term value creation, this project stands out. It's not just about trading tokens, it's about owning an asset that produces ongoing value. If you want to learn more, check out the Path to 16 article on their help desk. Track the token on CoinMarketCap under TXC. Join the Telegram group. Watch other videos for deeper insights. If this sounds exciting, share with a friend. Set it, forget it, and check your wallet each month. Let's build this mining network together and see just how far it can go. Thanks for watching.